Hello and welcome back to the Math Class Postcast series in episode 7. We are diving into the normal distributions plot in Math Class. A Math Class is a crucial step in checking assumptions before running parametric tests like t-test and ANOVA. In biomedical research, many statistical tests assume that your data is normally distributed. MedCalc helps visualize and test this using the QQ plot and built-in normality test like Shapiro-Wilk, Kolmogorov-Smirnov and more. We take the dataset for the normal distributions plot analysis in MedCalc for 25% ID and the hemoglobin level for the different patient for age and gender, male female, and different category groups for the control and treatment A and treatment B. Now the analyzed for the normal distributions plot in MedCalc. Go to the top menu, select for the statistics options and distributions plot selected for the normal plot. Open the new dialog box. The first one options for the variable. The variable select only for the numerical variable. For the test for the normality. So the data is numerical variable for the hemoglobin and age. So now we are analyzed for the hemoglobin level. So selected the variable for hemoglobin milligram per deciliter, and another one options for the filter allow you to the subset of your data set using conditions. For example, only used for the control, draw a normal distributions plot, select for the filter options. So enter the group is equal to double capacitor control, close the capacitor. So click to the OK. And now the only for the control groups only the draw a normal plot for the QQ plot. So this is for the control value only, and any subcategories analyzed for the filter used for the filter options. Sometime analyzed for the general male only, the draw a hemoglobin level in the normality plot. So use for the gender is equal to double capacitor male for M. Then click to the OK button. So now the general category for male patient only, the analyzed in the normal distributions plot in MedCalc. So we discuss for the another one options. Select for the hemoglobin and options for the QQ plot. So what is this? In this checkbox, the created a quantile plot comparing your data distributions against the theoretical normal distributions. So select for the options in the QQ plot. Then the test for the normal distributions, choose for the 5 different category options. The first one for the Shapiro-Wilk test. Most of the data less than 50 sample selected for the Shapiro-Wilk test. In our sample only for the 25 values, so selected for the Shapiro-Wilk test and Shapiro-Francia test. Our data similar to Shapiro-Wilk in symmetric data option selected for the Shapiro-Francia test. Next, third one for the Pearson test. This is considered for the Cygnus and Crucius, the medium to large sample size selected for this test, and Kolmogorov-Smirnov test that compares for the cumulative distributions. The general usages less sensitive data selected for the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. The next one for the last none, the no statistical test applied, only visible for the check using for the QQ plot only. If you don't use for this 4 type of test selected, only you want the QQ plot in the your hemoglobin level data, select for the none, but I choose for the first one for the Shapiro-Wilk test only. So then click to the OK button. So now for the created in math class normal distributions plot. So the x-axis observed in the z score and y-axis for the expected z score. The value, the straight line and the dot sum is present in the graph. Then now customized for the graph and right click, format grand line. So choose for the any different colors. Okay, I am remove for the background grand line. Okay, then next for the symbols selected and right click, format marker. Then open the new tab, select for the color and the mark style and the center of the color change to the red and the size is 14 or 16. Okay, if you increase the size, okay, and text edit, the right click, format text and color options, choose for the any different colors, then okay, then double click for the x-axis observed z score, then open for the format graph options, then go to the font menu and select to the font, choose 18 and time Roman. If you want the bold, click to the bold options, then click to the OK. Okay, now the customized for the normal distributions plot in math class. And if you any doubt on this video, leave me comments in the comment box, I will reply to you. If you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.